Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming network and app access. Make sure your Quest 3, your phone, and the TV are on the same Wi-Fi. Once done, put on the headset briefly to accept any permission prompts for casting. Next, open the Meta Quest mobile app and sign in with the same account as the headset. Make sure Bluetooth is on for discovery. If your TV is a smart TV, enable its built-in Chromecast or casting mode before continuing. Now initiate the cast. In the Meta Quest app, tap Devices, choose your Quest 3, then select Cast. The app scans and lists available targets. Pick your TV or any connected Chromecast device from that list. You'll see a prompt in the headset to confirm casting. Accept it. On some TVs, you must also confirm input or accept a pairing dialog. Make sure app and headset permissions for microphone and local network are allowed so discovery and streaming can proceed without interruption. Finish by tapping Start Casting in the mobile app. Your TV should immediately mirror what you see in the headset. Once streaming, adjust volume on the TV and use the headset controller for navigation. If you notice lag, move closer to the router or switch devices to a 5 GHz network to reduce interference. If the TV never appears, restart the headset, phone, and TV, then retry discovery. That single restart resolves most pairing or visibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.